Guys, welcome to another video on Jay's workshop. I'm going to be showing you how to change your expansion pack on Audi V6 2.4 2004 plate. So what we're going to be doing is basically releasing this clip here, this hose, this clip over here as well, one more clip up here, and I believe there's a electronic socket under there and one Phillips screw over here. Okay, now we've got to take these. Yeah, gonna pull out. Give it a little wiggle. Is it coming? Just left and right, like wiggles. Excellent. Excellent. Sorry, bro. Yeah, I think it'll come off though. It should come off. That's it. So as you can see, water's coming out. It's nothing to worry about. It's all gonna go straight out. And just got to take off one more clip up here. Yeah? Going a bit tight, yeah?
Yeah, that one's quite tight. The angle is wrong. I want to grab that one.
Sorry, bro.
No problem.
Ah, my. You know what? Right, it might need some persuasion, so what I'm gonna do, let's get a flathead screwdriver, I'll say.
George.
Second. Is it good?
Go again.
Yeah, let's give it a little wiggle. No? Alright, cool, no worries. What you do, try and bring that clip over.
Over?
Yeah, to here, yeah?
Okay.
Now that's off, so you ain't got to worry about it. The clip now should just come off. Try and pull it now.
It's moving.
It's moving, yeah? Excellent. Oh, that's tough, boy. Alright, so we got all the clips off and everything. So this simply should pull out from 2 retaining clips in there. Yeah. Just literally, just give it a wiggle, pull it up and just give it a wiggle towards you slowly. Yeah, it'll just come out from some clips in there. It's literally 2 clips. Like here, if I show you here, can you see this?
Okay.
And this?
Oh, they
this and
clipped
this.
into the...
Yeah. So that's what we're trying to take. Just give it a little wiggle. Can you feel it? Yeah, excellent. That's one. And then we've just got to take that side out as well now. So that one just pops up. Yeah. Basically, I can see it right there. It just clicks into that place, yeah. Just like, yeah. There you go. Right, slowly. So we just got to take this clip off underneath here as well. It's the sensor.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah. Do you know what it is? Because I've got a camera on my hand.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Don't worry. So it just comes off, yeah?
No, there's a little thing you push it in here, yeah? If you look at it, you know what I'm talking about.
This, yeah?
Yeah. Kind of just, push that in. Just push that in like that, yeah? And then pull it off. So just here.
I'll push it in? Okay,
Yeah.
like that.
There you go. Done. That's the old one out. Yeah, just get rid of that. Yeah, just chuck it there, man. And then be putting the new one in. So we're gonna do the whole thing in reverse now. That's the new tank. So first we're gonna put this on. When you hear that click, you know you're good. And what we want to do now is put this and this into here and here. So you're gonna have to try and tuck it in, kind of thing, yeah. Yeah. Wait 1 second. My one's lined up. It's just getting that one lined up.
Which one? This one?
No, in here. Can you see it?
Yeah, I think it's lined up.
Yeah. So let's just push it in now. Yeah.
Okay. Is yours clipped in?
No, it's not. It's not. It has to kind of tuck in.
Yeah.
So is yours in?
No.
Because it's plastic as well. We have to be careful.
This one's in. Left one.
Is that in? Yeah.
Left one's in. Yeah.
Yeah. Nah.
No?
In with a bit of a struggle. I had to file a bit of the metal down in there. So once we put this screw on, you can see it's nice and firm. It ain't going nowhere. And the other side's tucked in nicely as well. So what we're going to do now is just reverse basically. We're going to put this pipe back on, this one here, and this one here. So we're just topping up the antifreeze now. It's G12 coolant, it's written there. That's G12 coolant as well. But always make sure the grade's right. Yeah, keep that. Yeah, wait, hold on. It's gonna. So we've topped up the coolant to the right level. We left the lid off. I've been squeezing these pipes everywhere. As you can see, make sure there's no airlocks. All I'm waiting for now is for the temperature to get up to the right running temperature, which is almost there. And then I want to hear the fan kick in, and I want to check the heating. If that's all working, then that's it, it's job done.